Hi everyone! Today we are making a Japanese style curry simmered with eggplant and beef as our main dish. Plus, I will show you a quick and easy side dish with edamame. Curry is originally from India, but in Japan it has been reinvented in a way that's hugely popular. Both Indian style and Japanese style curries have their place here. But today, I'll be using curry as a base for this comforting simmered dish, and I'll show you a popular izakaya style snack using edamame. I hope you stay until the end to see both recipes. So, let's get started! First, cut the eggplant into bite-sized pieces. Next, combine the seasonings. In a small bowl, mix the curry powder, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. Let's cook the eggplant. Heat a bit of oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the eggplant and cook until it becomes soft and tender. Once the eggplant is soft, add the beef to the pan and cook until it changes color. Next, add the seasoning and simmer. Pour in the seasoning mixture and give it a quick stir to combine with the other ingredients. Once the sauce starts to bubble, lower the heat, cover, and simmer for about 8 minutes on low-medium heat. Check in and gently stir occasionally, letting the eggplant absorb all those delicious flavors. After 8 minutes, it's ready to go. This dish is rich with the savory warmth of curry and a bit of heat from the red chili. Perfect with rice, it's a dish that really makes you want to dig in. Next, we are going to make butter soy sauce edamame. First, prepare the edamame. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat, then add the frozen edamame straight into the pan. When they start to get a nice golden color, add a bit of butter and soy sauce, tossing them together to coat the edamame. When everything is evenly coated and fragrant, you are done. It's so quick and the buttery soy sauce gives it a mouth-watering aroma. It's the kind of dish that's hard to stop eating. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning this recipe with a Japanese twist. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe for more Japanese cooking ideas. And let me know in the comments if you tried these dishes or have any other ideas to share. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy cooking! Bye bye!